Hi, welcome to Taste and See, the show that makes cooking really simple. And here is another example of how easy it can be. With just some chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and vinegar, you can have a very tasty meal of fried fish in literally minutes. You simply make a paste of the ingredients by mixing them up, applying them onto pieces of fish and letting them marinate for about 30 minutes and then frying them. You can use this paste for just about any fish, although it seems to go especially well with pomfrets, which I have used in this recipe, and with prawns. Check it out. Easy, yeah? Don't know if you know this, but Jesus was very fond of fried fish, and not just eating it, he enjoyed cooking it too. One day, as his good friend Peter was returning from a fishing trip, he was waiting on shore for him with fish that he was barbecuing himself over hot coals. After a meal, he asked Peter 3 times, "Do you love me?" And each time Peter answered that he did, Jesus told him what he needed to do. "Feed my lambs," Jesus said. "Then take care of my sheep." And the 3rd time he said, "Feed my sheep." People out there are starving physically and spiritually, and if we care, we should think of feeding them food for body and soul. Perhaps we can give somebody a slice of fried fish today. God bless you.